If you want to zoom in and out in Photopea quickly and confidently, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you the fastest keyboard shortcuts, the easiest mouse and trackpad methods, and the zoom tool tricks that make navigating your design much smoother. Whether you're editing photos, working on graphics, or just trying to get a closer look at the details, these shortcuts will save you a ton of time. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple Photopea tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, let's start with the quickest method, which is using keyboard shortcuts. If you're on Windows, press Ctrl and plus to zoom in. If you're on a Mac, press Command and plus to zoom in. This is great when you need to get closer to fine details, like small text, edges, or pixel level adjustments. If you want to zoom back out, just use Ctrl and minus on Windows or Command and minus on Mac. That will bring your canvas back to a wider view so you can see more of your project at once. Now, if you ever need to instantly see your whole design fit neatly on the screen, use Ctrl and 0 on Windows or Command and 0 on Mac. This is one of the most useful shortcuts in Photopea because it resets your view to fit the entire canvas. On the other hand, if you want to view your image at actual size, meaning 100% zoom, press Ctrl and 1 on Windows or Command and 1 on Mac. This is perfect when you want to check sharpness, spacing, or how your image really looks at true size. Next, let's talk about zooming with your mouse or trackpad. If you're using a mouse wheel, hold Alt on Windows or Option on a Mac, then scroll up to zoom in and scroll down to zoom out. This is a super convenient way to control your zoom level without touching the keyboard shortcuts too much. If you're on a laptop or using a trackpad, you can simply pinch two fingers apart to zoom in or pinch them together to zoom out. This works very naturally and feels similar to zooming on a phone or tablet. Another powerful method in Photopea is the zoom tool. To activate it, press Z on your keyboard. Once the zoom tool is selected, click anywhere on your canvas to zoom in on that exact point. This is especially useful when you want to focus on one specific area, like a face, a logo, or a small object in the design. If you want to zoom out with the zoom tool, hold Alt on Windows or Option on Mac while clicking. That lets you move backward in zoom levels instead of closer. There's also a very handy feature called Scrubby Zoom. With the zoom tool active, click and drag your mouse to the right to zoom in smoothly or drag to the left to zoom out. This gives you more control than simple clicking because you can adjust the zoom gradually until it feels just right. It's one of the best ways to fine-tune your workspace while editing. And here's a pro tip that makes working in Photopea much easier. If you're zoomed in close and need to move around the canvas, hold the spacebar and drag your mouse to pan across the design without switching tools. This is incredibly useful because you can keep working without interrupting your workflow. Instead of constantly changing tools, you can zoom in, pan around, and keep editing efficiently. So to quickly recap, use Ctrl or Command plus to zoom in, minus to zoom out, 0 to fit the canvas, and 1 for 100% view. Use Alt or Option with your scroll wheel for smoother zooming, pinch on a trackpad, and press Z for the zoom tool when you want precise control. Once you get used to these methods, navigating Photopea becomes much faster and easier. If this video helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more Photopea tutorials, editing tips, and shortcut guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.